who's a party animal. Turn on the news and drink some tea. Maybe if you're with me, we'll do some shopping. One day I'll read or learn to drive a car. If you pass the test, you can beat the rest. But I don't like to compete or talk street. I can pick up the best from the party animal. I can hear you say goodbye, or I can love you if I tried, and I can't. And left to my own devices, I probably won't. Left to my own devices, I probably won't. Pick up a brochure about the sun. Learn to ignore what the photographer saw. I was always told that you should join a club. Stick with the gang if you want to belong. I was a lonely boy, no strength, no joy, in a world of my own. At the back of the club, I didn't want to compete or play out on the street. But in a secret life, I was a roundhead general. I could hear you say goodbye, or I could love you if I tried, and I could. And left to my own devices, I probably would. Left to my own devices, I probably would. Oh, I would. I was faced with a choice at a difficult age. Would I write a book, or should I take to the stage? But in the back of my head, I heard distant feet, Che Guevara and Debussy to a disco muse. It's not a crime when you look the way you do, the way I like to picture you. When I got home, late at night, or a drink, watch the fight, turn on the TV, look at a book, pick up the phone, fix some food. Maybe I'll sit up all night and day, waiting for the minute I hear you say, I could hear you say goodbye, or I could love you if I tried, and I could. And left to my own devices, I probably would. Come on, baby, say goodbye, or I could love you if I tried, and I could. And left to my own devices, I probably would. Left to my own devices, I probably would. Come on, baby. Left to my own devices, I probably would.